So we have been using this clipper lighter in the home for the household course, and today it fell down and it came out from couple of sides, and also it is not working right now. If I try to go and we try to run this, we see that the no flame is coming. Now how this whole thing works really is that you can see that there is a chamber, right? This chamber is where the gas goes, and if you see it right now, it is all empty, right? So of course there's no liquid over here, and what we'll do is we'll fill this and we'll try to assemble this particular piece together and see whether it works from here on or not. So what I have for it is I've got this clipper universal gas, and we'll try to fill this gas. I've used it in the past, but right now it is disassembled, and we'll see if we can refill it and make it to work again. So what you need to do is you need to use this particular part, right? You need to put it downwards. You need to put the nozzle of the gas filling compartment like this and press it, and you can see that the gas will start flowing in. So we can see that the liquid has now come in, right? So we'll only use with a bit of it, and let's see whether it starts working or not. And what I'll do is I'll just try to put these things in the order, and we'll try to see if it can help. Okay, I'm having some challenge putting this in place. What I'll do is I'll probably just try to see if I can do that. It's not yet working. Okay, so try to see if we need to disassemble something else for this to work. Oh, it starts working. So what I was missing was really that if you see over here, right? So I think there are some contacts to be made so that the circuit gets completed. And okay, I now got what I was missing. So I'll just disassemble it again. So basically what it has over here is, you can see that there is a wire over here. There's a metal wire, right? This metal wire triggers the contact, and there is one spark that starts from here, and it needs to, when the gas is coming out, it needs to make the circuit complete, right? So what's happening is, if I'm just triggering it like this, then nothing will happen, because of course this particular the current from here is not getting the to the other point. So what you need to do is, you need to, when you're inserting this pipe, you need to put it this way, nicely keep it, and ensure that wherever the lock is there, you just put it. You can also see that there's a hole, and above the hole it fits in nicely, and then you start just assembling it the normal way, and you can just put parts where they should belong. This goes into, you can see there's a hole over here, so this goes nicely over that hole. Okay, so this will go over the hole, and it fits over there. I'll put this as well as slide this where it should be, and this is the trigger, right? The trigger comes over here. It's well slotted. It's actually not too tedious to fix. So yeah, So I'm doing it for the first time, and maybe that's why it has taken long, but yeah, you can do that yourself as you have seen. And then this goes on the top, and everything will fit in nicely over here. Okay, now when I start, you see it's coming. The flame control is over here, and as you can see, if I lower the flame, this is how you can increase it, and that's about it. Now there are just two screws that needs to be tightened, which I'll do that. So if you're an engineer, you can do anything, and here you go, right? So that's what your people at home expect you to do. And this is the gas that I've used. I bought this from Amazon. I think around 300 rupees. It was there for 350 rupees. And one I bought along with the gas, and they have been serving us very nicely. I'll leave the links in the description. You can go over there and purchase it. But it's very nice quality. Make sure that you only purchase the Clipper brand, right? Don't purchase any other brand. If you like the video, click on like, subscribe if you like the channel, and that's all for today's video. Thank you and have a great day.